Okay, I'm hitting login. Just keeps loading. As you have seen just now, after typing the credentials, Citrix Director keeps loading and loading, but it did not let me log in successfully. So in this scenario, what we can check is, we can first check the services. Let us check services first. Alright, the automatic services seems okay. Let me check Citrix broker service if there is something wrong from Citrix side. Okay, Citrix broker service is up. And what about the other services? The other services are also running fine. So in this scenario, what we can check is, let us try to launch IIS Manager. Okay, I have just launched IIS Manager. Let me quickly go to sites. Let me go to Director and let me click on application settings. Okay, seems like there is no auto discovery address. So what I will do here is, I'll create an entry. I'm just creating an auto discovery address, uh, indicating director to point controller and save the settings. Okay, so basically it is auto discovery address and I'm pointing it to the controller. So let's now go back to Citrix Director and log in and see how it goes. Okay, this is my Citrix Director, and let me quickly type my credentials and see how it goes this time. Okay, I'm hitting login. Just keeps loading, and it works this time. All right. So the reason for this particular problem is there was no entry made in IIS Manager. So we have created an entry to point it to controller.naresh.com, and once we have created this entry, we could connect to Citrix Director without any problems, and we could log in successfully. So I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you.